Hey guys, it's Lexi Combs and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you this super simple cards and gift sign, and I got everything from Dollar Tree. So I'm starting out with a foam block, an 8x10 frame we're only going to be using the glass from. This cards and gifts printout that I made on Canva. I have some fake hydrangea flowers from Dollar Tree, and then I also have some tape. So let's go ahead and hop into it. So I started by going ahead and taking the glass out. You can definitely save the frame if you want to use it for another project, but here we're just going to be using the glass. So I took my printout and I tried to line it up. It's like basically obviously as big as the glass, so I ended up trimming it so that I could make sure it stayed in place while I was tracing on the other side after I flipped it over. So I lined it up. I pushed it towards the top because remember, the bottom part of this piece of glass is going to be actually sitting in the piece of foam. So we want to make sure that you're actually going to be able to see the sign, and then I just taped it down and I flipped it over. Using this metallic marker from Dollar Tree, it's not actually metallic, it comes out kind of matte, at least for the white one. I just traced as best as I could over the sign, and I think it turned out pretty well. The best advice I can give you guys is keep your pen moving and try not to do like little parts at a time. Then I cut this foam down the center, and I cut it not all the way to the bottom. I just used a knife, probably not the safest thing, but it got the job done. And I cut it so that I would have a little slit for the glass to actually sit in. Here I am just taking off that piece of paper on the back and pushing the glass down into our little piece of foam. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking the flowers off of the stems from Dollar Tree. I think I ended up using about 5 stems of their hydrangea and then 1 stem of their roses that you'll see here in a minute. And I'm just pushing the bottom pieces of those into the foam. I'm not gluing them here because I want to make sure that I like the way it looks before I make anything permanent. Now I decided to flip over my sign, and I put the tape under the glass part of it just so that I could actually reach the bottom and get the flowers stuck in there. Now this is where I quickly realized that I was not going to have enough of these hydrangeas to cover the entire thing, which is initially the only thing that I was going to use. So I grabbed my backup plan, and I had some roses from Dollar Tree and this eucalyptus I got from Walmart that is such good quality. I got it on clearance for 75 cents, so definitely check your Walmart out for that. And I'm also so glad that I didn't glue those hydrangeas down, because now you can see I'm having to kind of place them in different areas and pull out what I had initially put in some spots. Now, I didn't end up gluing my flowers down, but if you're going to be using this for your wedding day and transporting it, I highly recommend that you do that. Lastly, to finish it off, I am just pulling apart this piece of eucalyptus, like I said, 75 cents on clearance, and sticking it in wherever I feel, and I really love how the finished product turned out, you guys. Here it is. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure if you found it helpful to subscribe and hit the bell notification, and follow me on all my other social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram, and most importantly, Pinterest, to save these DIYs.